Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to delete all saved posts on Facebook at once. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then tap on settings icon from here. After that, just scroll down. Then tap on activity log. After that, tap on your Facebook activity. Then just scroll down. After that, tap on saved items and collections. Then tap on your saved items. Now here you will see all your saved posts. So if you want to delete all your saved posts, then check the select all box from here. After that, tap on remove button from here. Now if you tap the remove button again, all your saved posts will be deleted from Facebook permanently and you cannot recover them again. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like.